Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be the next luxury purchases I plan on making kind of video, if that makes any sense. But I get a lot of questions on my Instagram about like what next purchases I want to make because I have sold a lot of my stuff, like most of my stuff, and that's because I want to put it towards new purchases. So we're going to talk about all of that good stuff in this video. So if you're wondering what I'm gonna buy next, then just keep on watching. So before we get started, guys, I just wanted to introduce myself. Hello, my name is Maria Scotto. What is my hair doing? I like to do videos on luxury unboxings, luxury hauls, luxury reviews, all things luxury. So if you're in that kind of thing, and I'm totally obsessed, then just click that subscribe button. Also the bell notification button so you're notified every time that I upload a new video, which is now Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So without further ado, let's get right into today's video. Alright guys, so the first thing that I plan on purchasing is the Louis Vuitton handbag. I've talked about this in my videos. I've talked about it on my Instagram. By the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, what are you doing? Here's my name. Go follow me, please. I like to do like votes. I like to post what upcoming videos are coming, and I just love talking to you guys. I get so many questions on there, and I could talk about luxury all day, every day. So if you need someone to talk about luxury to, you know where to find me. But yeah, I talked about the Louis Vuitton handbag like every chance that I can get because I love that bag. Some people are saying that it is a bulky kind of bag, it's not that comfortable to wear, and there's like a little flaws to it, but I just love how unique and different it is. It is such a unique bag. I've never seen a bag like that ever, so like I'm so drawn to it. And it has the reverse monogram, which I am a reverse monogram lover. I had my Palm Springs mini backpack in the reverse monogram, and I just love just like the bag, the shape, and the reverse monogram. Like three things in one bag that are so different and unique. I'm all for it. So I love it. I love how versatile you can be with it. You can wear it as a crossbody, or you can wear it as a top handle kind of bag, and you can fit a lot inside of it. That's the one question I've had, like how much can you really fit into like a round bag? But everyone's saying don't worry, you can fit so much in there. I've watched videos and you can actually fit a lot in there. So I'm so excited. I really want it. I'm not sure when I'm planning on buying it, but that baby's gonna be mine soon. Also, another thing is the reason why I sold my Palm Springs mini backpack was, well, pretty much why I sold most of my stuff is because I wanted the funds for those items and put towards purchases that I really have been wanting for a really long time. Not necessarily because I didn't like the things that I had, I just have a lot more on my luxury wish list that I'd rather have, if that makes sense. And Louis Vuitton has done 2 price increases, and Louis Vuitton handbag is already like $2,500. So if it goes any more up, then I am not gonna buy it for that price. So I'd rather get the funds for some other bag that I know I can get down the road that is not as expensive as the Louis Vuitton handbag, and put those funds toward the Louis Vuitton handbag before it goes up in price again. We don't know. They already did 2, so you never know. But that is another point in why I sold the bags that I did. This next handbag purchase that I plan on buying, but I'm not really sure, is the Louis Vuitton Neo Noe. So when I say this, people are like, what? You've had so many issues with that bag, why you want to repurchase it? The reason why, I really miss that bag. And you know the saying, like when you know you love or miss something when it's gone? That's how I feel. Like I really miss the bag. I bought the Neo Noe bag for my mom, and I wore it one day, and I just fell in love with it all over again, and I really want it. I know it had issues. That's the only thing that it's like kind of steering me not to buy it yet, is because like I had so many issues with my old one. But overall, that bag was perfect for me. It was the perfect size. The strap was comfortable. You could fit so much in the bag. It's endless. I just love the overall like functionality of the bag. I did a whole video. I have a couple videos actually if you want to go check them out. But I love it so much. I don't know what kind of canvas or color I want to get, but it's just so beautiful to pass up. Like, and again, the prices are increasing, and when I bought the bag way back when, I paid like $16.90 without tax, and I think the bag now retails for $1,700. I'm not really sure, I have to look into it, but I don't know, it's calling my name. Third handbag purchase is the Gucci Marmont camera bag. I sold the one that I had because I wanted a different color. You know, like I don't want to buy multiple of the same bag, especially because I'm not in that financial state yet where I can buy multiple bags in different colors. Not yet, maybe one day. But for now, I really love that bag so much. I really enjoyed using it. My mom used it for a while, she loved it, but it just overall, the bag is so nice. I could fit everything that I needed on a day-to-day basis. It felt so comfortable wearing. I literally forgot I had the bag on some days. I was like, where's my bag? Like, I'm not even being dramatic, that may sound so stupid, but the strap was so comfortable. The strap is adjustable, so a bag that is versatile, unique, has everything that I love about it. I mean, I want it, like I really want it. The suede interior is so nice. The material outside, like the matelassé leather, feels so nice. The double GG logo, and it's versatile because it has that loud GG logo, but when you turn around, it has the stitching of the GG. So it's like, if you don't want to be loud that day, you can flip it around and still use the bag. So I mean, I really love it. They have so many colors. They have a white, they have a like pinkish nudish. They came out with silver hardware, which is questionable because Gucci, I don't think, has ever done that. So I want to see how that goes. I really like the colors of the bag. I just don't know if I like the silver hardware. But if they came out with those colors, like they have a blue, a baby pink, a yellow, if they came out with those colors with gold hardware, maybe I'm gonna have to buy the same bag in 2 different colors. But for now, I really want the white one with the gold hardware. I just think it's such like a summer but also winter kind of bag, and it goes with everything literally because it's white. So we'll see. My eye is on that one for sure. My fourth and last bag that I really want to buy is, I haven't really talked about it either. I mean, I have talked about it in the past, but I haven't really recently talked about it. It's the Prada reissue bag. I know that bag is crazy popular. It was trending, it was everywhere. Everyone had to get their hands on it. You couldn't find it because it's not online. You have to go into stores, and some people didn't have like Prada stores near them, so everyone was crazy for this bag. I really like it because how different it is, and I just like the nylon. I like how the strap is, it's not too loud, and I like the little pouch it comes with. It's just versatile. You can use it in many different ways, and I really like the different colors. I don't know what color I would want though. Black is a safe color to go with, but I'm really thinking like of a different, maybe like the pink color would be really cute. But they have so many colors, so I'm not really sure about the colors, and I would definitely want to buy that bag when I go to Italy, because it's so much cheaper over there. But I really like the way the bag is. I really like the look of it. It's edgy. I like the silver chain. So that is weird about me. Like, I love gold jewelry, like I'll wear gold jewelry, but I like my bags to have that diversity of metals. Like, I'm picky about my gold hardware, but I like a silver hardware kind of bag depending what it is, but I just like the edginess of that bag, the way the chain looks on it, and it just looks really nice. It's simple, it's classic, and it's like a 90s intruder. We'll see. It's in the back of my mind. I don't know if we'll get it. Maybe my mind will change over time. Now it's a maybe. It's a maybe. It's a 80% chance, I would say. But yes, that is all my items that are on my mind that I plan on buying. But if you guys have any questions or any video suggestions, please leave them down in the comments, or you can always DM me on Instagram. I love talking to you guys, and yeah, that is today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it if you haven't already, and if you liked this video also, please subscribe. Today's beautiful, so I'm gonna go outside for a little bit and enjoy this beautiful weather. Going outside during this time is I would never thought it would make me feel 100% better. I just love when it's sunny out and like it's not too hot but it's not too cold, so it makes me really happy. So I'm gonna go outside, get some fresh air, play with my puppies, and yeah, that is what my day is gonna look like after this. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night, wherever in the world, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!